saying? That ain't what you do, it's how you do it. When you wake up, what you doing? Cause I'm getting to it.
Dudes with D Nice forever. About to head to this car show. Car meet. And about to hop in the car. Let's get into it. Alright. Do a cold start for y'all.
I'm looking around at everybody. I'm like, the only thing that is
Sandwiches. 300 S right here. My bad. Cancel notification. Oh my God. No, this is my first time.
First time, man. My name's Brian. Nice to meet you.
Derek, man.
We got some interior, exterior, top and bottom, man. You let us know.
All right, cool.
Everything's mixed and made in America by the same person.
All right, cool.
No changes there.
All right.
And I will tell you that all of our soaps on the bottom shelf are pH neutral and foam candy safe.
Okay.
So foam candy or anything like that.
Okay, cool.
If you have any questions, man, just let me know.
All right, appreciate it, man. But yeah, this is Jack's Wax. They just opened up. You know what I'm saying? It's dope. Alright. So we gotta get this side over here. Got the cornbread. So we even got the bikes out. You feel me?
It's iconic.
this boy.
I'm all shook up. Yo, talking to us, start telling my mom, yo, get up,
Appreciate it, man. Bill, it's my first time riding today. I'm big birthday present to myself.
Alright, y'all. That's it for the car meets. I about to head to another one. So we're gonna make another video for that one. Make sure y'all check it out, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. That'll be easy.